The latest proceedings at the Madlanga Commission have once again brought an old political controversy back into the national spotlight. While commissions of inquiry do not determine criminal guilt, they often shape public debate and influence future investigations. That is why the renewed focus on economic freedom fighters leader Julius Malema and his past financial relationship with cigarette businessman Adriano Mazzotti is attracting significant attention across South Africa. During recent hearings, the Commission examined testimony relating to Malema's own statements about financial assistance he reportedly received from Mazzotti. The issue has circulated in South African politics for years, but the Commission's review has placed it under fresh public scrutiny. Witness testimony and available evidence are now being carefully considered as part of the broader inquiry. For years, Malema and the EFF have rejected criticism surrounding the relationship, arguing that political opponents and parts of the media overstated its significance. However, the Commission's role is not to settle political arguments. Instead, it is gathering evidence that could, if necessary, lead to recommendations for further investigation by law enforcement agencies. This distinction is important. Any decision about possible criminal charges would ultimately rest with investigators and the National Prosecuting Authority, not with the Commission itself. At this stage, no legal conclusions have been reached, and the inquiry remains focused on examining the available facts. The matter has also fueled wider political discussion because Malema has consistently positioned himself as a vocal critic of corruption and a supporter of government accountability. Critics argue that the same level of scrutiny should apply to every public figure, while supporters caution against drawing conclusions before the Commission completes its work. As additional witnesses are expected to appear, more information could emerge in the weeks ahead. Whatever the final findings may be, the Commission's work is likely to influence public trust in South Africa's institutions and the country's broader conversation about political accountability and transparency. What do you think this inquiry could mean for South African politics? Share your perspective in the comments and stay with us as we continue following the latest developments.